Back again, guys. So we've got a beard trim today. Same model as last time. Daniel, we're doing a 1.5 over his beard. So we've got the Wild Seniors. They are my bulk removal clippers. So I think if you've watched the previous video, these don't have a lever on it. So I would never use these for fading. So we're gonna 1.5 all of the hair over his beard. Daniel doesn't have a super dense beard, so a 1.5 is a really good length for him. He wants it short, but not so short that you can't see heaviness when you line it up. So now we're gonna start with the beard fade. We're gonna start off first with an open clipper, and we're just gonna put our first guideline in. I like to do this guideline first, sometimes just to see where and how dark the hair is and how it's going to sit. Because his hair is not that dense, I don't want to start with the 0 first, because if you start with the 0 first, you may take it too low and then you won't have a really nice beard fade. Usually when you've got someone with less dense hair, I would always do a 0 fade lower than usual, and I would always try to leave as much darkness and length as possible so that you can make the fade look the best. So we're just going to line him up now. So we pull the cheek up to his eye, and then we use our razor and we come down and we create that line. So what happens when you pull the cheek up is it stretches the skin out, and what you can do is you can razor in a straight line when the cheek is pulled up, and then when you let the cheek go, that's when the curved line is created. So we're just going to line him up at the back here. So we want to make sure that it's a nice straight line, as you can see here. And we're just going to get rid of the hair at the back of the brush. And we've got our Andis trimmers here. These go hard. These have been one of my favorite clippers for the last couple of years. Haven't dropped them. They're perfect. Never have to adjust them. Always cut nice and clean. They're perfect. If you're watching this, Andis, send me some free clippers. So we're just going to get rid of all the little bits of, we're going to get rid of all the remaining hairs, just make them as short as possible. My camera battery actually died when I was filming this, so I missed filming this part. But all we used the wild foil shavers underneath his neck, because I did run over time again. I will get better, I will get faster when it comes to filming. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below, like or dislike this video. The barber industry is forever changing, and we're always getting new tools. There's always new clippers coming out, so there's always something new to learn. So be sure to subscribe, be sure to follow us on our socials. Thanks for watching again, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video.